Hi everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Lewis Teaches. Today we're learning about column subtraction without the confusion, including how it's different from addition and what does exchanging really mean. Here's the big idea. We keep the digits in the correct place value columns. That means we subtract ones from ones, tens from tens, and hundreds from hundreds. And we always start with the smallest value column in the calculation. Let's start with an example that needs no exchanging. 57 minus 25. We start off by lining up the digits according to their place value column. And then we start with the smallest column. In this case, it's the ones. 7 ones minus 5 ones is 2 ones. So we reflect that in the answer section. And then we move on to the tens. 5 tens minus 2 tens equals 3 tens. So we reflect that in the answer. So the answer to 57 minus 25 is 32. No exchanging needed because the top digit is bigger in each column. Now let's try one where we do need exchanging. 126 minus 57. As always, we line up our digits correctly, but be careful because these two numbers have two different amounts of digits. Then we start with the smallest value column. 6 minus 7 doesn't work, so we have to exchange. Look here how we take one 10 and exchange it for 10 ones. That means you now have 16 ones. This will allow us to do the subtraction in the ones column. So now we have 16 ones minus 7 ones, which gives us 9 ones. And then we move on to the tens column. Let's look at that. We've used one 10 already, so we only have one 10 left to subtract from. And one 10 minus 5 tens does not work. So look how we exchange here again. 100 is exchanged for 10 tens. And that gives the tens column a little bit of help. And now we have 11 tens to subtract from. 11 tens minus 5 tens equals 6 tens. Now we move on to the hundreds column. After exchanging, there are 0 hundreds left, so we subtract 0 hundreds from 0 hundreds, and we get 0 hundreds. So 126 minus 57 gives us an answer of 69. Sounds simple enough? Let's have a go yourself. Pause the video and try 428 minus 165, and think carefully about when and where to exchange. Okay, let's check together. Line up our digits correctly as always and start with the smallest column. 8 tens minus 5 tens is 3 tens. Then we move on to the tens column. 2 tens minus 6 tens, can't do, so we need to exchange. Exchange 100 for 10 tens, as you can see here. And that gives us 12 tens to subtract from. Subtract 6 tens from 12 tens to give us 6 tens. And now, thanks to that exchanged 100 earlier, we now have 3 hundreds to exchange from, or to subtract from. So 300 take away 100 equals 200s. So 428 subtract 165 gives us an answer of 263. Hopefully you got that answer. If not, try and see where you went wrong. Now what have we learned today? Well, today you have learned how column subtraction works, when exchanging is needed, and that exchanging is really just regrouping using place value. If this video helps, please give it a like as always, subscribe to Mr. Lewis Teaches and ring that bell so that you don't miss the next lesson. Next time we're going to be looking at short multiplication, but for now, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.